A Tesco coat for £59.50. 70% wool, satin-lined with horn effect buttons. The same fabric weight and the same construction specification as a Hobbs equivalent that costs £249. The difference between those two price tags is not quality. The difference is a business model. Tesco is the largest supermarket in the United Kingdom. 27 million customers walk through its doors every single week, and it makes its money from groceries, not from blazers. Where a high street retailer like Hobbs or Reiss operates on markups of 55 to 70%, F&F runs on margins that belong in the food aisle, not on a clothes rail. 7 items ranked from strong value to absurd value. The number 1 item on this list costs under £60, but matches a brand charging 4 times that for near identical construction. We also found one category at Tesco you should never put in your trolley. It is the first thing most women try, and it is the one thing that consistently disappoints. But first, the 7 items worth grabbing. Starting now. Number 7. The F&F straight leg jeans. Retail price at Tesco, £16 to £19.50. Comparable jeans from Levi's John Lewis, £65 to £78. F&F denim uses a structured cotton and elastane blend in the same weight class as Levi's classic 5-pocket jean. The construction includes bar-tacked stress points at the pockets, reinforced belt loops, and a felled inseam built for durability rather than disposability. Inside the garment, factories across Bangladesh and Vietnam, where both brands source production, the cost to cut, sew and finish a 5-pocket jean runs £3 to £5. Levi's at John Lewis represents a 13 to 15 times markup over that factory gate cost. Tesco represents 3 to 4 times. The extra money at Levi's covers the heritage branding, the denim bar in the Regent Street flagship, and the global marketing campaigns featuring musicians and models. The denim itself does not get stronger because the label inside the waistband has a more recognisable name. £16 jeans from the same production tier as a £65 pair is a confident opening. The next item is one you would not expect to find between the washing powder and the bread aisle. Number 6. The F&F midi dress. Retail price at Tesco, £16 to £22.50. Comparable midi dresses from Boden range from £80 to £120. From Monsoon, they range from £79 to £129. Woman and Home describe the latest F&F drop as items that look more like pieces from Zara or M&S, but come with impressively low prices. Their fashion editor singled out the midi dresses and cord sets as standout pieces for spring and summer 2026. Until recently, the only way to buy F&F was to walk into a Tesco store. In 2025, Tesco relaunched F&F online for the first time since shutting down Tesco Direct in 2018. That means most women have never browsed the full range. The F&F midi dress collection includes printed and block colour options in viscose and cotton blend fabrics, with invisible zip closures and lined bodices. Production cost for a midi dress at this specification runs £4 to £8. Boden charges 10 to 15 times that. F&F charges 3 to 4 times. Every additional pound at Boden covers the lifestyle catalogue photography, the returns logistics on items ordered in multiple sizes, and the branded cardboard packaging designed to make the unboxing feel like a gift. The stitching on the dress does not improve because the parcel looked nice on the doorstep. A £20 dress matching an £80 dress is hard to ignore. There is a reason F&F women's wear drove a 3% like-for-like sales increase at Tesco last year. The next item comes from a category where the supply chains are even more visibly shared. Number 5. F&F knitwear. Retail price at Tesco, £18 to £25. Comparable knitwear from White Stuff, £55 to £79. From Sea Salt, £59 to £75. F&F carries over 40 knitwear styles across cotton blend, acrylic and wool blend compositions. One Mumsnet user specifically noted a long cashmere cardigan from Tesco that she has worn for years and described as absolutely brilliant. The production cost of a mid-weight crew neck jumper in this class runs £4 to £7. White Stuff charges 8 to 11 times that. F&F charges 3 to 4 times. The Gap covers the artisan-styled shop fit-outs in harbour towns across Cornwall and Devon, the seasonal swing tags printed on recycled card, and the coastal lifestyle branding that White Stuff built its identity around. The wool does not become warmer because the shop has a view of the sea. One honest caveat: F&F sizing varies between styles more than most brands. Most Tesco stores have not reopened their changing rooms since closing them during COVID. Try items on over your own clothes in the aisle, or use the new online store where returns are free. Knitwear for under £25 that matches brands charging 3 times as much is solid. But the next item is where Tesco starts competing with names most women would never associate with a supermarket. Number 4. F&F active leggings. Retail price at Tesco, £14 to £18. Comparable leggings from Sweaty Betty, £65 to £88. From Lululemon, £88 to £108. F&F active is not a random handful of gym clothes thrown onto a supermarket shelf. It is a dedicated sub-range that Tesco specifically developed to compete with performance athleisure brands. The leggings use a nylon elastane blend with flat-lock seams, a wide supportive waistband, and a gusset construction designed for movement. The cost to produce a performance legging at this specification in the factories across Sri Lanka and Vietnam, where most athleisure brands source, runs £3 to £6. Sweaty Betty charges 11 to 15 times that. Lululemon charges 15 to 18 times. F&F charges 3 to 4 times. The price difference at Sweaty Betty pays for the Carnaby Street flagship, the yoga studios inside the shops, and the influencer partnerships that fill Instagram feeds every January. The legging does not stretch better because the checkout counter was made of reclaimed oak. £14 for a performance legging that uses the same fabric technology as an £88 Lululemon pair. That is not a typo. If this kind of analysis is useful to you, subscribe. We break down brand pricing like this every week. Every item so far has outperformed its designer equivalent by at least 60% on price. The next 3 items push that gap into territory that is genuinely difficult to explain. Number 3. F&F tailored trousers. Retail price at Tesco, £16 to £22.50. Comparable tailored trousers from Hobbs, £89 to £129. Hobbs is the brand that British women reach for when they need something sharp for the office or polished for an occasion. Their tailored trousers start at £89. F&F sells a comparable pair for less than a quarter of that. The F&F trousers include a full waistband facing, a branded zip closure, and a ponte or stretch cotton blend that holds a pressed crease through multiple washes. The cost to manufacture a tailored trouser at this specification runs £4 to £7. Hobbs charges 13 to 18 times that. F&F charges 3 to 4 times. The rest covers the Covent Garden flagship, the Blue Water concession, the seasonal window installations, and the in-store style advice that comes bundled into the price of every garment whether you use it or not. The trousers do not drape better because the shop had nicer lighting in the changing room. £20 trousers holding their own against £89 trousers is remarkable. The next item takes that gap wider still, and it comes from a sub-range that most Tesco shoppers have never heard of. Number 2. The F&F Edit Blazer. Retail price at Tesco £32.50 to £45. Comparable blazers from Hobbs £189 to £249. From Reiss £198 to £298. The F&F Edit is Tesco's premium collection. Higher quality fabrics, more refined finishing, and elevated basics designed to sit alongside anything on the high street. Tesco hired a new clothing director from H&M Group to lead this range. Woman and Home featured the collection in their Spring 2026 roundup. Most women shopping at Tesco have no idea it exists. The Edit Blazer uses a structured linen or cotton blend fabric with a single-breasted closure and a relaxed long-line silhouette. Production cost for a blazer at this specification runs £7 to £12. Hobbs charges 16 to 21 times that. F&F charges 3 to 4 times. The remaining markup at Hobbs covers the brand photography on location in the south of France, the concessions inside John Lewis and Selfridges, and the seasonal lookbook printed on heavyweight cardstock. The blazer does not become better constructed because it was displayed next to a scented candle. One honest caveat. As mentioned, most Tesco stores have no changing rooms. A blazer needs to fit the shoulders correctly, and you cannot assess that over a winter coat. Use the online store for blazers specifically, try them at home, and return what does not work. £35 for a blazer that sits alongside brands charging £200 or more is extraordinary. But our number one item is the one that makes the entire pricing structure of high street fashion look absurd. Number 1. The F&F Wool Blend Coat. Retail price at Tesco £59.50. Comparable coats from Hobbs £249 to £349. From Jigsaw £199 to £289. £59.50 for a wool blend coat. Read that figure one more time. Hobbs built a significant part of their outerwear identity around structured coats in wool and wool cashmere blends. Their winter coats sit in the £250 to £350 range. F&F sells a 70% wool coat with a satin lining, horn effect buttons, a structured collar and a clean single-breasted closure for less than a quarter of that. The manufacturing cost for a wool blend coat at this weight and specification runs £12 to £18. Hobbs charges 14 to 19 times that. F&F charges 3 to 4 times. For the price of one Hobbs coat, a woman could buy 4 F&F coats and still have enough left over for a full weekly shop at Tesco. The coat you spotted between the freezer section and the pharmacy. The one you nearly walked past because you did not expect to find something worth wearing at the place where you buy your washing tablets. The one that quietly became the most reliable piece in your wardrobe from October through March. 7 items. The total F&F retail cost for all 7 is under £200. The total retail cost for the designer equivalents is over £1,000. The fashion industry charges what people are willing to pay, not what the garment costs to produce. The average markup on UK high street fashion sits between 55 and 70% above production cost. At F&F, the markup stays closer to a supermarket shelf, because that is what it is. The thread on an F&F seam does not know it was sold next to a tin of baked beans. The wool in an F&F coat does not care that the hanger was plastic instead of velvet. The only thing that changes between a £59 F&F coat and a £249 Hobbs coat is the margin that someone else takes home. Now, we promised you the one category at Tesco you should never put in your trolley. Here it is: basic cotton t-shirts. This is the first thing most women reach for when they decide to give F&F a try. And it is the one product that ruins the impression before anything else gets a chance. F&F basic tees shrink. This is the most consistent complaint across Mumsnet, Trustpilot, and the brand's own customer reviews. Women report that t-shirts come out of a 30-degree wash noticeably shorter and tighter. The jersey fabric loses its shape after a single cycle. One Mumsnet user described buying size 12 tops that fit like a size 8 after washing, despite following the care label exactly. F&F's structured garments, the jeans, the coats, the blazers, the tailored trousers, are built to last. Their basic jersey cotton is not. The production shortcut that saves a few pence per unit costs them the first impression with every new customer who starts at the t-shirt rack and never makes it to the coat rail. Skip the t-shirts, start with the blazer. That is where F&F earns its place in your wardrobe. Let me know your F&F finds in the comments. And if you want to see 7 Sainsbury's items that beat designer brands by the same margin, that video is on your screen right now. I will see you in the next one.